Finding specific books using library search. Access library search via the Middlesex University Dubai website or UniHub. When using library search, make sure to sign in. Sign in with your Middlesex email account and password. To search for a specific book, type a couple of words from the title along with the author's family name. Select Books from the drop-down menu to only search within books. Click the search icon. The results page makes it easy to access different book editions, electronic or print. Multiple editions or versions are grouped together. To look at the holding details of your specific book, click on the relevant title. The item record will provide you with details about both the electronic and print books. Accessing any electronic book is easy. If an electronic book exists, within the item record, click on View Full Text. If you're not already signed into UniHub, put in your UniHub details and password. Once credentials are confirmed, you can access the functionality of the ebook platform. Ebook platforms can differ and may offer the choice to download the ebook or read online. The item record also tells us information about print copies. Choose the relevant item location. The menu will expand to reveal item availability, usually either reference or 7-day loans are available, and the shelf mark. Like map coordinates or a Google pin, shelf marks provide an exact location for books in the physical library collection. Books are arranged by Dewey Decimal Classification System. Check the number ranges on the bookshelf ends and choose the correct shelf accordingly. Books are arranged and ordered by number, then author letter. Congratulations! You can successfully use the library search to find a specific book title.